everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another pool tour here at Fontainebleau Las Vegas. And it's a little bit windy today, so apologies for some of the audio on this one. There's the entrance from the third floor of the resort, because this is it's a 6-acre pool area, but it's like 3 stories up on the hotel. There's the towel area right there, cabana and daybed rentals. I think you're looking at about 500 upwards for a daybed. Cabanas possibly a lot more, 800 to 1,000 I'm guessing. Come here to the main pool, shallow area where you can just kind of walk in. You can get quite a good look at the whole of the area right there. I'm going to take you around, check it all out, see what you guys think. I'll just pop over this side, there's a sports screen right there, but here's a couple of the cabanas in the background. It's Saturday today, so it's fairly busy. As you can see, the cabanas right here. Everything you need if that's what you guys like. Personally, I don't generally do cabanas, but yes, as you can see, this Saturday today, loads of seating area. It's fairly early, it's only about 9:30 AM. I'll take you around. I can't believe how windy it is actually. And here we have a Harris Hawk with this lady here. See that? They are going around for a deterrent for all the birds in the area. They don't kill any of the birds, apparently they just scare them away. But that's the first time I've ever seen that round the Vegas pool, and apparently it's a normal thing in some of these resorts. Here's one of the main pools right, as you can see, it's really big, loads of room in there. Especially when you look back and the size of the Fontainebleau building towering over it, it's a pretty cool thing to see. I love the ambience of this place. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet, just a nice little mixture. As you can see, there's the Conrad part of the Resorts World there in the background, and Encore right over there. And right over here we've got one of like 3 bars, I believe, at the pool. This is FB Slims, which is a little bit of a take on Fat Boy Slims as I see it, really. Nice drinks, good service at this pool. And we use one of the bars, but not this one, so we'll take you back around. But that's yeah, one of 3, I believe. One of them's a casino bar as well, which I'll show you in a moment. Let's go for a wander. I'm going to cut straight across this middle section. Just squeeze past these guys. So this section splits up this main pool that I've just showed you. And then you've got this pool right here that kind of goes around to the left. More cabanas, as you can see in the background. And there's like the centre bar right here. This is the bar that me and Claire sat at. You're looking at about, I'll put some shots on screen, you're looking at about like $24 for like a iced cocktail. Large one would be about $39. You know, Vegas pools, guys, they don't come cheap for drinks. Yeah, I remember the days when you'd get like 5 or 6 beers for $30 around the pool, but it's going to be $60 for 6 beers at this pool. But don't be buying expensive waters. There's a water vat right here with cups. Just help yourself to iced water. It's always a good touch at the Vegas pools. You need it for that heat. It's actually April right now, and it's a really nice time to come. Here's another pool right here. Just started over there. This one just connects right here with some of the beds in the water. I like all this, nice little setup. And loads and loads of room in pools for people swimming and everything. Very spacious. Keep going this way. Again, the middle bar areas right here. We were just sat over there having a couple of drinks just the other day. Very nice. The guys behind the bar, brilliant, very attentive. And they serve you for your every needs. Cocktail wise, I'll just take you up this section right here, and there's a casino. It won't be open at this time, but I'll show you quickly. There's a casino bar and some outdoor gaming if that's your bag. Not for me when I'm at a pool, but then again I don't really play tables, so I haven't played tables for many years actually. But yeah, really nice bar, as you can see. Here's the tables all covered up. I think they open about 11 AM, 12 o'clock, something like that. But very nice. I'm going to come back to this area in one moment. There's some restrooms right here, some more restrooms near the FB Slims bar that I showed you. Just step down, just nearly tripped up on a step there. There's a bar, as you see, all the pools kind of surrounding it around this way. So the big large pool kind of comes all the way through here and juts out to this point. I love a Vegas pool, always a nice vibe. Some of them can be a bit too loud for some people. Places like this, it's just nice. If you want an even more relaxing vibe than this, places like Bellagio and Aria are probably a little bit more laid back. So we've got this other cabana area right here, and if you can see right there, there's like a really small pool. Resorts World's overlooking, but this pool right here, it's really small, but it's all day beds, this section, so you'd need to hire a day bed to stay in this area. Really nice. And come over this way, and as you can see, there's some cabanas again right here, right at the end of this section of pool. All these cabanas, all of them appear to be reserved today as it's Saturday. But if you come early, like it is now, like I say, it's about 9:30, I believe, 9:37, and it's not too busy at all. The wind seems to have eased up a little. So I'm filming this one on my phone, so I thought the wind might affect it a little bit. I'm going to come back over here. Me and Claire have got some beds right over there. Just looking at the building. I love the shot of the building just towering right over the pool there. It's awesome. And the fact that you got to consider that this pool area is all on the 3rd floor of the hotel, and I didn't actually realise that until we arrived the other day. On a regular vlog I showed from outside where it's situated, from like roadside, and it's amazing that it's you know, this high considering how big it is. Right, I'm just going to walk you around this edge. So here's the one that I was just showing you where I saw people swimming with those little beds right at the end. You can see like the Hilton over there. So me and Claire's over here. I'm just going to walk you around because you've got the Lacote restaurants just over here on the right hand side. Plenty of options in this pool area, sorry. It's really cool. Signposted quite well. Aye. And then you've got Lacote right here. So when you're ordering food poolside at Fontainebleau, it's coming from Lacote restaurant. We didn't eat, but they've got a decent menu of snacks and everything to go at. And yeah, more or less covered all the area there, guys. It's a big area, is this, for a pool. It's bigger than I expected when we first came in. Just heading back towards the building right here, and then I'll go and join Claire where our beds are at. Have an hour before moving on. But as usual, you know I like to make a pool video. I've always done that when I've come to Vegas, and people always like to see them. There's a big outdoor seating area for the Lacote restaurant. It's really nice, really nice. More cabanas right over there, look, kind of by the side of where we came in, where the sports screen is in the distance. So yeah, if you like your cabanas, there's plenty to go at. Look, plenty of empty beds still, looks nice and chilled out. Probably gets to about midday or so, and it's going to be fairly busy, I would have thought. Yeah, started over there, guys. Kind of went round here through this middle section right here where the bar is, walked all the way around that side back to this area, and here's Claire waiting for me. So with that being said, folks, that's the Oasis Pool area here at Fontainebleau Las Vegas. Hope you like that one, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.